Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sayyida Hafsa and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to make a number guessing game. So let's get started. So first of all, make a folder. Number guessing game. Guessing game. Okay. So CMD. Then you have to write code dot for opening in Visual Code Studio. And the one important thing that you don't have to leave a space in the folder's name. Okay, so now you have to make a new file name main.ts. Okay, and then going to the terminal, tsc main space main.ts for making javascript file. You can see here javascript file is made. Okay, so now you have to write tsc space minus minus in it for ts config file. Here it is. Then you have to install Inquirer, as we will work on Inquirer. If you haven't watched my previous videos about Inquirer, so you can watch them. I will give the link in the description. Okay, so first of all, let's go to xla.draw, and I have made this file for you. We are going to use random number generator for this project. Okay, so first of all, for Inquirer files, you have to download these things. Okay, so first of all, npmi Inquirer for downloading Inquirer. npmi Inquirer. Okay, and I want to tell you that you can also work on Visual Code Studio's terminal. So let's switch on that because it's easy. And okay, so we are at Visual Code Studio. You can see on the right side, after selection there are three dots, and new to go to terminal, and then new terminal. Click on that and you can see our terminal here. You can make it smaller, bigger. Okay, and then what you have to do, you will having some errors, so don't do the work on PowerShell. Go to this arrow option, click on that and go to command prompt. Switch to command prompt, or just write here cmd. You will switch on cmd. Okay, so you can see that you have switched on cmd. Okay, so then what you have to do, you will work here easily. Okay, so we have installed npm Inquirer, and you can see we have all node modules. And this, let's see what's happening. Okay, node modules. You have package.log.json, package.json file. Okay, so we have to do some more steps. Then npmi add types slash node minus t. Okay, so let's write it. npmi add types slash node space minus capital D. Okay, so here installation will be proceed. And then what you have to do, then npmi space minus minus save minus deb space add types slash Inquirer. Okay, so let's write it. npmi minus minus save and then minus deb add space add types slash node. First of all, let's see npmi slash Inquirer. Sorry, Inquirer. Okay, so let's enter, and you can see the installation will be started. And then what you have to do, go to, okay, so first of all you have to do npm init and space minus y for package.json file. Okay, so you can see that the package.json file is updated. Okay, so first of all you will go and see that your package.json file is updated, and you will have node modules file. Okay, so then what you have to do, you have to just go to tsconfig file. I am closing the terminal panel for short time. Okay, so go to tsconfig file here, then go to target, and you have to change ES 2016 to ES 2022. Okay, and make it updated. Then go to module line number 28, and then module, change it to node next. Okay, so you will see at line number 30 the module resolution is committed, so you have to uncommit it. You have to uncommit it, and then module resolution, change it to node next without space. Okay, so all the changes in tsconfig file has done, and now what you have to do is go to package.json file, and then you have to go. You can see a debug here. You don't have to click on it. Then after the main, you can see here the main. After this, you have to write double quotes. Then in it write type semicolon, and you will have an option of common.js and module. You have to click on module, and this will happen. Okay, the all the changes have been done, so now we are going to start it. So let's go to xle, and we are going to work on random number generator. What is it? The computer will generate a random number. Okay, so first of all, for using Inquirer, what you have to do is to import Inquirer, because you have installed it but you don't have imported it. So first import Inquirer. From where? From Inquirer. You have to write double quotes, then Inquirer. Okay, this one. Then now what you have to do, we will first check random number generator so you can understand what it is. Okay, so let's first see. We are making a variable const system generated number. You don't have to leave a space. I have named it system generated number. Then what you have to do is, you can see system generated number, then math dot floor, and this code, and I have write my code here so you can see. Then what you have to do, let's see. I have made a variable with const named system generated number. Then I am putting a value, and capital M, math dot random. Okay, here math dot random, then this one. Now it will work. Okay, so I have given it a value of math dot random, and then first see what it will do. Like I'm going to console it, console.log, and math. I will do console system generated number, because the math.random is in this system generated number. Okay, so let's console it. So you can see I have consoled it system generated number. Let's see what will be the result. So I am going to open the terminal, new terminal, and then going to cmd here, and then I will write tsc for tsc for converting into JavaScript. Then I am going to print it node main .js. Okay, and you can see that the system has generated a number, a random number in decimal. Okay, so now you can understand that I have made a variable of system generated number, and I have put it a value of mat.random. And what the mat.random do, so I have consoled it. First of all, let me tell you what I have done. So I have made a variable of const, named it system generated number, and I have put it a value of mat.random. And what does the mat.random do? It generate a random number every time, a new number every time. So, and then I have done console.log system generated number to see what is this doing. So then let's see, let me clear it. Okay, so TSC for converting it to JavaScript. Let's wait. Okay, so now what you have to do is node main.js for printing. So you can see the print is of 0 point and something in decimal, and I am going to print it again. Let's see what will happen. Now you can see there is a random number again, and this is a new number. Let's see again, and this is also a new number, but you can see this is in decimal, and only 0 is coming. So what we will do is we will multiply it by 10, and let's see what will happen. Let's do tsc, and then let's wait, and then I will do node main.js, and then you can see I have multiplied it by 10. So my print is coming is in 2, and let's see again what will come now. Now it is coming in 3. So let's do some changes and remove the decimal. Okay, so for removing the decimal, what you have to do is math.floor. Okay, math.floor. M capital, then math.floor. Math.floor will remove the decimal point values. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to make a round bracket starting from at the random and ending at 10. Okay, so now let's see the changes. You will do tsc, then wait for it, and then node main.js. Okay, node main.js, and the answer is 0. Okay, so you can see the changes, and it will be very very surprised. And then you can see math.floor has removed all decimal. Let's do it again. Now it's 7 again, but I want to tell you that I have multiplied it by 10, so the number will be between 1 to 10. Okay, so if you will multiply it by 20 to so the number will be between 1 to 20. Okay, so I am going to remove that, and let's go to XLE. Okay, so we have done from here, and now what we have to do is to ask the our user to guess it. Okay, so what you have to do, we are going to remove the console.log, and we are going to make a new variable for answer, const answer, then is equals to await. We will say to the variable to wait until the our user give the answer. Okay, then what we have to do, you can see answer is await. We will not discuss it right now, the type of answer, and let's go to inquirer.prompt. Okay, then what you have to do, inquirer.prompt, we have covered it in our inquirer calculator video. You can see it. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to write a round bracket, then brackets for array, and then curly brackets. Okay, now you will write type for asking a question. What will be the type of question? Let me tell. Okay, so you have to ask the viewer, what you have to ask, a number. So the type of the question will be number. Then what you have to do, you have to name the question. Okay, the user will not be able to see the name, so you can write any name. by which you can remember what it was. I have done a mistake that after the type number you have to put a comma. Then I am going to write a name, and that will be user guess. Okay. My battery is running. Okay, so sorry for that. And then I am going to name it user guess. Okay, so now what you have to do, put a comma, and then the format has the last thing, write message, then double quotes, and then you have to write a message, a question that you want to ask the user. Okay, so I will write enter your guess. Okay, guess between, short form, between 1 to 10. Okay, then what you have to do is, first of all, what you have to do is, you have to write a type for the answer. So I'm going to make my custom type. As we have studied in previous videos, there are many types like string, boolean, and number. We will make a custom type. How we will make it? Type, then semicolon. Now, first of all, we will name the type ans, and then is equals to. Okay, you can also see here type ans and curly brackets, and we will make our custom type. Okay, so user guess semicolon number. So we have given the type user guess. We have given the type to user guess, and the type is number. So we don't have to give the type again to user guess here, and we will just give the type to the main variable type ans. Okay, so you can see we have given the type. Okay, so now what you have to do is, you can see we have done till here. Then what you have to do is, you have to make a variable, and then the name will be user guess, and then the value will be answer. Okay, so first let's see what we have to do. Const, in this variable what you have to do is to give the value of user guess to answer. Okay, so let's see what we are doing. User guess to answer. I am giving the value of user guess to answer. The value of user guess, this is user guess. Okay, so I am targeting user guess from here. Okay, user guess, and I am giving the value of user guess to answer. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I have done this, and then let's do it. Then I am going to write if else for this. If the user guess will be is equals to answer, so what will happen, if I will console it that yay your answer is correct. Okay, you win. And then if the user guess is not equal to answer, so what I will do, I will write better luck next time. Okay, so first of all let's do it. User guess is equals to answer. So what you have to do, user guess is equals to answer. You can see we have done it here. User guess is equals to, oh sorry, you have to do this. User guess is equals to system generated number, because if the user guess the answer that the user has given is equal to the system generated number, so what will happen, system generated number, sorry, let's write it again. System generated number First of all, let's review. I have written if the user guess the answer that the user has given is equal to system generated number. So what will it do? First of all, let me check the error. Okay, so I have to put 2 is equal sign. Okay, then I will write in the curly brackets that if the user answer is correct, so what will happen? It will print console.log, and then I will write something like winning. Okay, so double quotes, yay, and your answer is correct. Is correct. Okay, and I will write slash n to continue in next line. Okay guys, so now I have to write console.log under const user guess, because if the user will write the correct answer or wrong answer, so he will see a message that in this message it will be like the user guess will is and the system generated number is this. Okay, so console.log, I will first write user guess in the double in the backticks, so I can also target the variables and also write in a string. Okay, so your guess and comma, and then I will write the dollar sign and curly brackets, and in that I will write user guess. So by this the user can see that what he has written and what is the system generated number. So now I will write comma and then system number, and then I will write the value and the variable of system generated number. Okay, so now I have to write the else. If the user has written the wrong answer, so what will happen? So else and the curly brackets, and in this I will write console.log and round brackets, and then I will write better luck next time or something like that. So let's see the result. So I will do tsc for compiling the code, and then I have to write node main.js for printing the code, and then let's see the inquiry saying enter your guess between 1 to 10. So I have written 2, and then it is saying your guess is 2, system number is 5, better luck next time. So I hope it helped you a lot. Please like and share my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.